Welcome to the research world. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to add reference citations with square brackets in Microsoft Word document. So how to do it? Let's follow the steps. First of all, open your Word document and place the cursor where you want to add your in-text citation, that is square bracket. Now click on the References tab, then select the IEEE style from the list. Next, click on Insert Citation, choose Add New Source. Here you need to fill the blanks with relevant information. For example, first of all, I am selecting the type of the source. I am going to select the journal article, followed by the name of the authors. Then write the title of this article. Add other information, if available. For example, volume is 30 and issue is 1. Now press OK. Here you can see that the reference citation in square brackets has been added automatically. In this way, you can add multiple citations with the square brackets into the Microsoft Word.